Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund for game passes in Roblox. Game passes are a special pass created by the developer that gives players access to certain things. For instance, a restricted area, a power-up, or an in-game avatar item, and things like that. Occasionally, you may purchase an item or a power-up for a game that you didn't really want and need a refund. You'll have to contact support in order to do this, so go to roblox.com/support. If you are logged in, your username should fill in the first field. Under email address, type the email address associated with the Roblox account that purchased the Game Pass. Type the email address once more to confirm it. Under issue details, select the device you are having the problem on. I'll select PC. Under type of help category, select Robux. And then, in the next dropdown, select In-Experience Item. Then describe your issue. Be sure to tell them the name of the server you were on and the name of the item you purchased. Once you are finished, click Submit. Support will reach out to you regarding your issue, and that is how you get a refund for Game Passes in Roblox. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more helpful quick tech how-to videos coming your way.